So, to delete a mobile, menu, we then navigate to telephone, click telephone, please connect, search for new mobile or settings in the bottom right hand corner. Bottom right hand corner corresponds to that button. Telephone settings, Bluetooth, navigate to Bluetooth, click Bluetooth, and you've got Bluetooth discoverability, find Bluetooth devices and bonded Bluetooth devices. That's what we want. Click on that. Shows Barry's iPhone. So if I click on that, you see there delete Bluetooth device, but it's down as hands-free and audio player connect. So if your phone isn't playing audio, navigate to this screen and make sure it is. So delete Bluetooth device. Do you really want to delete this device? Yes I do. That's it, gone. Still on the same screen, so while I'm at it, I'll delete Miles's phone. And also Tim the Dictator's phone. Gordon Bennett. So that's it. That's if you buy an Audi and it's full and you need to delete some devices, or you buy this one and you've got a new phone, whatever, that's how you delete a device.